how's everyone doing? Literally, only when the camera's on. Trying out a new place. Cascadia Pizza. Never been here before. Had a real serious hankering for some pizza when I was watching this YouTube channel called One Bite Reviews. And I actually asked people in a subreddit on Reddit what good places to eat pizza that were local. Wow. It looks phenomenal. I'm gonna get the camera down here and give you a close-up look. Look at that. Now I got that's my hand, so I got the personal, like 18-inch pizza. This looks really good. Some nice coloration. They got the pepperoni bacon. What's that? Give this thing a taste. All right, I'm really hoping it's not too dark because it's literally almost 6 o'clock. So check the bottom. Oh, nice coloration on the bottom. Wow. Mmm. Let me get this corner here. Oh, I'll tell you what. That's a really good pizza. I'm digging this. It's really good. The crust has some nice chew to it. The veggies taste good, or the meat tastes good. Little pepperonis. Oh yeah. Wow. It's real nice. It's a quick shot of what I've taken so far. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this. Catch you guys in a few. I'll tell you what. That was a really good pizza. Really good. I normally go to Mod Pizza because it's close and convenient, but this was way better. So they just earned themselves a new customer. So anyway, let me excuse me. Let me cut to the end where I'll get to the menu and I'll show you the menu, and then we'll wrap this up and call it a day. Alrighty. Almost forgot the menu. So let's go ahead and so they have their story, the owners. So they actually have a little backstory on each one of them, which is kind of cool. Alright, let's order online as if we were ordering. This is the Maple Valley location. So they have a small, let's see. So they have wings. They got half order wings and a full order wings for $17. I didn't get the wings, I just got the pizza. I think I got the small pizza. Come on. So you got the small cheese, the small Tahoma, small evergreen. I'll link to the description as well. Small evergreen, small Leo, Lombardi. You get a small three topping pizza, small Hawaiian, small cowboy, barbecue sauce, cheese blend, bacon, sausage, green pepper, mama little peppers topped with buffalo sauce. They got the It's called a small margherita, Margherita, margarita, I think it is. I'm actually kind of embarrassed. I don't know that. Classic Napoleon, red sauce, fresh tomato and basil, which actually sounds really good. $11, by the way. I think I got the small 2-topping pizza with pepperoni and bacon. It was $12, which I thought was pretty good for the amount of food you get. Small Buckley, small Butcher, small Brussels, small Northwestern, and then small pepperoni, which was $1 more than the two topper. So that's the small pizza, and I'm imagining if you get the large pizza, it's basically the same thing as soon as it loads. Come on. Yeah, it's basically the same menu but larger, and a large pizza like this large big G is $27. Large pepperoni, $23. I don't know how many inches it is. It doesn't say. How many inches is that pizza? I don't see where it says, but I pretty much just got it for myself, so I didn't get a big one. So we got pizza. What else we got? Breadsticks and add-ons. I didn't get any of the breadsticks or add-ons yet. They got fire sticks, cheesy bread, sausage you can get. What else? Dessert pies. So you got a s'mores, cinnamon butter based marshmallow, crushed graham crackers, and chocolate drizzle. Damn, that sounds good. And they got an apple pie. Sounds awesome. They got a salad. So they got a nice variety of menu items. Well, only 2 salads. They got a classic Caesar for $9, or a Northwestern salad for $11. Oop. What am I doing? Let's get this out of here. Okay, so large pizza, small pizza, salad, beverages, dessert pies, wings. I might have to try the wings. I do love wings. $17. They got buffalo, sweet baby rays, or naked with a side of sauce. 4 orders, 12 wings. See, it's $17 is cheaper than Pizza Hut, because Pizza Hut I think was. I'd have to look again, but I thought they were pretty expensive. So there's Cascadia pizza, really good. I'll be going back for sure when I've got a craving for pizza. Probably go back there instead of going to Mod, because I like Mod. It's just the crust is better here than the Mod pizza. All right. Well, there we go. That's Cascadia pizza in the menu. I do appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. The link for the playlist for this series will be down in the description, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.